Adobe Photoshop 2025 introduces groundbreaking new compression features that revolutionize how users manage file sizes. These features redefine digital creativity by enabling users to dramatically reduce the size of their files without compromising quality. This advancement is crucial for professionals and hobbyists alike, as large files have long been a bottleneck in digital workflows, causing delays in sharing, uploading, and storing images. The significance of these new compression features lies in their ability to streamline various creative processes. For graphic designers and photographers, this means gaining the ability to work faster and more efficiently, especially when dealing with high-resolution images or complex compositions. For instance, a professional photographer managing thousands of images can now reduce storage space needs and improve the speed at which they deliver final edits to clients. Similarly, a marketing team can swiftly share large advertising visuals across platforms without worrying about bandwidth limitations. One notable real-world application is in e-commerce, where businesses often rely on high-quality images to showcase products. Compressing images without losing quality helps online stores maintain fast-loading websites, crucial for keeping potential customers engaged. Another example is educational institutions using digital portfolios. Students and educators can store extensive collections of high-quality images with minimal storage requirements, facilitating seamless access and presentation. Supporters of Photoshop 2025's new compression capabilities underscore the benefits of enhanced productivity and cost savings from reduced storage expenses. By making image management more efficient, these features encourage more imaginative and expansive creative projects, fostering innovation across industries. However, the advent of these features is not without challenges or alternative viewpoints. Some skeptics might argue that introducing sophisticated compression algorithms could require a learning curve for users accustomed to previous versions of Photoshop. Additionally, there are concerns about dependency on proprietary technology, with users questioning how non-Adobe platforms will handle files that have undergone this advanced compression. These new compression features interconnect with broader digital trends, such as the increasing demand for cloud storage solutions and the necessity for faster digital communications. By reducing file sizes, Photoshop 2025 enables smoother integration with cloud services, enhancing collaborative opportunities and expanding accessibility. This not only influences how creative teams operate, but also how they adapt to the rapidly evolving digital landscape. Ultimately, the integration of advanced compression in Photoshop 2025 exemplifies a pivotal step forward in digital imaging that could set a standard for future developments in the industry. Understanding file size challenges in digital design is crucial for anyone using Photoshop, especially with the introduction of new compression techniques in Photoshop 2025. When we talk about file size, we're referring to the amount of data various digital files occupy on storage devices. In digital design, file size can significantly impact workflow efficiency, storage management, and even client deliverables. Reducing file size without compromising quality is essential, especially in professional environments where large files can slow down operations, increase storage costs, and affect collaboration efforts due to longer upload and download times. This concept is vital because it directly influences the primary goal of reducing file size dramatically in Photoshop. By recognizing file size issues, users can make informed decisions about how to apply new compression methods effectively. For instance, a graphic designer working on high-resolution images for print media deals with large file sizes that can be cumbersome to handle. Using advanced compression techniques allows them to minimize these sizes, thus speeding up the editing process and reducing storage demands. A real-world example includes e-commerce businesses that rely heavily on visual content. High-quality images must be used to attract customers, but keeping these images at optimal sizes can impact website load times and user experience. A fast-loading website is crucial, as slow sites can lead to higher bounce rates and reduced sales. Using Photoshop's new compression techniques can help savvy designers create optimized images that maintain quality but are smaller in size, ensuring a smoother, more efficient online experience. Another example is in the realm of collaborative projects, where multiple designers work on shared files. Reduced file sizes can facilitate quicker sharing and simultaneous collaboration without technical barriers. The importance of reducing file size is frequently echoed by digital design experts who argue that efficient file management is key to maintaining productivity and creativity. However, there are challenges and alternative viewpoints, such as the concern about potential loss of quality with compression. Some might argue that achieving the perfect balance between size and quality remains an ongoing struggle, especially for formats that are already optimized. This discussion on file size challenges intertwines with other aspects of the topic by setting the stage for how and why new compression methods are essential. Recognizing these challenges helps individuals better appreciate the value of technological advancements in Photoshop, ultimately leading to more innovative and efficient digital design practices. By addressing these issues head-on, users can fully leverage the capabilities of Photoshop 2025 to enhance their design processes while minimizing hindrances associated with large file sizes. In 2025, Photoshop introduced a revolutionary advancement in compression technologies that significantly reduces file size while maintaining image quality. This breakthrough is pivotal for designers and photographers who frequently grapple with large file sizes that consume storage space and slow down workflow efficiency. Compression technologies in Photoshop 2025 employ sophisticated algorithms that optimize data storage, effectively minimizing the file size without compromising the integrity of the original image. The importance of this innovation cannot be overstated. As digital media continues to proliferate, the demand for efficient storage solutions escalates. By dramatically lowering file sizes, Photoshop 2025 not only liberates significant storage resources, but also enhances the usability and accessibility of high-resolution images across various platforms. Additionally, smaller file sizes facilitate faster upload and download speeds, a crucial factor for professionals working within tight deadlines or collaborating remotely. Real-world applications for these compression technologies abound. Creative professionals can now manage extensive portfolios on devices with limited storage without needing external memory or cloud expansions. Similarly, web developers and digital marketers benefit from faster page load times and improved website performance by integrating compressed images, boosting user engagement and search engine rankings. Numerous industry experts have lauded this development as a game changer. Some designers contend that having smaller file sizes with negligible quality loss will revolutionize digital artistry, enabling more intricate designs and animations to thrive without the previous constraints. However, this optimism is tempered by concerns about potential data loss. Critics argue that even with advanced algorithms, some data might be irretrievable once compressed, which could pose a risk for prints or detailed editing later on. Furthermore, an alternative viewpoint suggests skepticism towards new technologies due to compatibility issues with software that has yet to adopt these innovations. However, Adobe's commitment to backward compatibility and continued updates mitigates some of these concerns, ensuring that the adoption of new compression methods does not disrupt existing workflow systems. Compression technologies in Photoshop 2025 also seamlessly intertwine with cloud-based innovations, such as Adobe Creative Cloud's enhanced sharing capabilities, by allowing users to store more while incurring lower bandwidth costs. This synergy not only underscores storage efficiency, but also enriches collaborative options within the creative community. In short, understanding and leveraging these compression technologies can dramatically influence digital design landscapes, marking a significant evolution in how professionals handle and transmit image data. In the ever-evolving world of digital design, Adobe Photoshop remains a staple for creatives, and with the introduction of new compression tools in Photoshop 2025, the process of reducing file sizes has been dramatically transformed. These new tools allow users to compress images more efficiently without significant loss of quality, providing a robust solution for designers dealing with large file sizes that often hinder workflow and storage capacity. The new compression technology leverages advanced algorithms to optimize and maintain image integrity, making it a game changer for digital artists and photographers alike. The significance of these new compression tools cannot be overstated. As file sizes grow with increasing image quality and complexity, the storage and transfer of such files become challenging. The tools address these challenges by offering a seamless way to reduce file sizes, ensuring faster load times on the web, easier sharing, and reduced storage costs. This advancement is critical for professionals who require high-quality images without the burden of substantial data consumption. Consider, for example, an e-commerce business that relies heavily on high-resolution product images. By utilizing the new compression tools, the business can maintain the visual appeal of their images while ensuring that their website loads quickly for users, significantly enhancing customer experience and potentially driving sales. Similarly, a photographer managing extensive portfolios can effortlessly archive and share their work with clients and collaborators, simplifying project management and distribution without compromising on quality. Supporters of this development praise the newfound balance between quality and efficiency. Designers are finding themselves less constrained by file size limitations, which opens up new possibilities for creativity and project execution. However, some skeptics argue that there is an inherent risk of relying too heavily on automated compression, potentially leading to unforeseen artifacts or quality degradation if not used judiciously. Additionally, opinions differ on how compression might impact archival quality, with some purists preferring original, uncompressed images for preservation purposes. Nevertheless, these tools are undeniably interrelated with broader aspects of digital file management, such as cloud storage optimization and bandwidth conservation. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, the ability to reduce file size efficiently connects directly to the broader goals of sustainable digital practices, including making high-quality images more accessible and manageable in an increasingly digital world. By adopting these new tools, users can streamline their workflows, ultimately influencing productivity, collaboration, and digital accessibility across various sectors.